Draga braća i sestre, okupljeni večeras u ovoj našoj Hrvatskoj župnoj crkvi svetih Čirila i Metoda i svetog Rafaela želimo prije početka ove svečane svete mise Gospodinova rođenja zazvati Božji blagoslov na ove naše jaslice. Draga braća i sestre, Bog je sve stvorio i sve uzdržava. Stoga svi događaji kojima On providonosno upravlja, a i ljudska djela koja su dobra i prema dobru vode, potiču ljudska srca i usta da blagoslivlju Boga, početnika i izvora sviju dobara. Ovim slavljem blagoslova božićnih jaslica očitujemo svoju vjeru da onima koji se Boga boje i koji ga ljube sve pomaže na dobro. Kao kršćani i vjernici u svim dobrim djelima želimo tražiti božansku pomoć. Stoga ne sumnjajmo da prijanjajući uz volju svoga Oca Nebeskoga možemo
In those days, a decree went out from Caesar Augustus that the whole world should be enrolled. This was the first enrollment when Quirinius was governor of Syria. So all went to be enrolled, each to his own town. Joseph too went up from Galilee, from the town of Nazareth to Judea, the city of David, that is called Bethlehem, because he was of the house and family of David, to be enrolled with Mary, his betrothed, who was with child. While they were there, the time came for her to have her child, and she gave birth to her firstborn son. She wrapped him in swaddling clothes and laid him in a manger, because there was no room for them in the inn. Now there were shepherds in that region, living in the fields and keeping the night watch over their flock. The angel of the Lord appeared to them, and the glory of the Lord shone around them, and they were struck with great fear. The angel said to them, "Do not be afraid, for behold, I proclaim to you the good news of great joy that will be for all people. For today in the city of David a Savior has been born for you, who is Christ and Lord. And this will be a sign for you. You will find an infant wrapped in a swaddling clothes and laying in a manger." Suddenly, there was a multitude of the heavenly host with the angels, praising God and saying, "Popis svega svijeta. Bijaše to prvi popis izvršen za Kvirinijeva upravljanja svijetom. Svi su išli na popis, svaki svoj grad." Tako i Josip, budući da je bio iz doma i loze Davidove, uziđe iz Galileje, iz grada Nazareta u Judeju, u gradu Davidov, koji se zove Betlehem, da se podvrgne popisu zajedno sa svojom zaručnicom Marijom, koja bijaše trudna. I dok su bili ondje, navršilo joj se vrijeme da rodi. I porodi sina svoga prvorođenca, pobije ga i položi u jasle, jer za njih nije bilo mjesta u stratištu. A u tom kraju bijahu pastiri, od vedrim su nebom čuvali noćnu stražu od svojih stada. Anđel im Gospodnji pristupi i slava im Gospodnja obasja. Silno se prestrašiše. Anđel im reče: ne bojte se, evo javljam vam blagovijest, veliku radost za sav narod. Danas vam se u gradu Davidovu rodio Spasitelj Hristos molim. I evo vam znak, naći ćete novorođenče povijeno gdje leži u jaslicama. I odjednom se anđelu pridruži silna nebeska vojska, hvalići Boga i govoreći: slava na visinama vodu, a na zemlji mir ljudima, miljenicima njegovim. Riječ Gospodnja. Riječ North and South, to your families and especially to your children, I wish tonight blessed and Merry Christmas. Often has it been said that Jesus is the reason for the season. An important statement of faith in the middle of many secular readings and sentiments. It was not because of any need of his own, but because, as Prophet Isaiah puts it so eloquently, God recognized us as a people walking in the darkness of our sinfulness and selfishness. And it is because of